Here's the top 3 best website builders that can help you to create almost every type of website like personal, portfolio, blog, business, education, news, forum, and even e-commerce store without any coding proficiency. Each website builder has its own specialty, so watch the video till the end to get the right decision for your dream website. Let's get started. Number 3 is Wix. Do you want a website that combines amazing functionality with eye-catching design? Wix is your one-stop shop. These drag-and-drop builders provide gorgeous pre-designed templates and a massive app store to add all the features you can imagine to your website. Here's the key features of Wix. Stunning templates. A vast collection of beautiful mobile responsive templates for any website type. Powerful drag-and-drop editor. Easily customize your website with Wix intuitive drag-and-drop tools, no coding required. Wix App Store. Add powerful features to your site from a massive app store with everything from contact form to online booking system. Here's the pros of Wix. Gorgeous ready-made templates to get you started quickly. Easy to use drag-and-drop editing for ultimate control. Massive app store to add any functionality you need. Built-in SEO tool to help your website get noticed. Wix offers comprehensive hosting plans so you don't have to worry about finding a separate provider. Here's the cons of Wix you should consider. Limited design freedom after choosing a template. While Wix offers customizations, it's not as flexible as some other builders. Free plan has Wix branding on your website. To remove branding, you will need to upgrade a premium plan. If you need a beautiful website with ton of features and are comfortable with a drag-and-drop interface, Wix could be your perfect website building partner. They are offering a free trial so you can try it out before you commit. Click the link in the description below to unleash your creativity with Wix. Number 2 is Hostinger Website Builder. If you need a beginner-friendly website builder at an affordable price, then Hostinger Website Builder is here to be your website building hero. This user-friendly platform uses artificial intelligence to guide you through the process, making it perfect for absolute beginners. Here's the key features of Hostinger Website Builder. AI-powered website creation. Answer a few questions and Hostinger AI will create a beautiful personalized website for you. Drag-and-drop editing. Easily customize your website with their intuitive drag-and-drop editor. No coding required. Free domain and SSL certificate. Get a free domain name and an SSL certificate to secure browse while included in their plans. Here's the pros of Hostinger Website Builder. Super easy to use, perfect for absolute beginners. AI assistant take the guesswork out of website creation. Free domain name and SSL certificate for a professional look. Affordable pricing plan to fit any budget. Excellent customer support to help you along the way. Here's the cons of Hostinger Website Builder you should consider. Less customization options. While Hostinger user-friendly, but offer a more limited range of customization options. Limited app integrations. Fewer third-party apps compared to some other builders. If you are a complete beginner who want a super easy and quick website creation experience, Hostinger Website Builder is a fantastic choice. Click the link in the description to get started building a dream website today. Number 1 is WordPress.org. Imagine having a complete control over your website like a digital kingdom you rule. That's the magic of WordPress.org. It's the most popular website builder globally, powering millions of websites from simple blogs to complex e-commerce stores. Here's the key features of WordPress.org. Unmatched flexibility. A vast library of themes and plugins let you customize your website to your heart content. SEO friendly. Built-in tools and endless customization options help your website rank higher in search engine. Open source power. Endless free themes and plugins from a supportive community keep your website growing. Here's the pros of WordPress.org. Supreme control and endless possibilities. Highly scalable. Grow your website from a blog to a full-fledged business. SEO friendly. Attract more visitors organically. thriving community for support and troubleshooting. Cost effective. While there's a learning curve, WordPress itself is free. Here's the cons of WordPress.org you should consider. Require some technical knowledge. Setting up and maintaining a WordPress website requires a bit more effort compared to drag and drop builders. You can also hire me for your WordPress website. If you are comfortable with a little learning curve and want ultimate control, WordPress.org is the best website builder for you. Although WordPress is free, to host your website, you have to need a web hosting server. Bluehost, Hostinger and Dreamhost are the officially recommended WordPress hosting companies by WordPress.org. Check out the link in the description to get started on your dream website with WordPress today. Remember, the best builder depends on your specific needs and comfort level. Do your research, consider the pros and cons, and choose the one that empowers you to build your dream website. If you need any help, let me know in the comment below. Contact me for affordable WordPress website service. Subscribe for more amazing videos and I will see you soon in the next video.